Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out your level on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device. And once it is opened up, you will be taken into the main menu if you have completed a few levels and if this is not the first time that you are playing the game. If you have not connected your EA account yet, you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Link Accounts in order to proceed with logging in to your EA account. After you have been logged in, you will see your username at the top left section. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will open up your player profile. You will see your team overall ranking underneath Team Profile, which is the number that is displayed underneath OVR. This is not your level, but this is actually the rating of your club that you have selected and built. Underneath this, you will find your username, and right underneath your username, you will see your current level. This is your level within the FIFA mobile game. Within the main menu, you will also be able to see how many XP points you will need to gather in order to level up from your current level. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your level on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.